السلام علیکم جہاں فتح خان all the way from London.
السلام علیکم ناظرین، کیا حال ہے؟ ٹھیک ہو؟ امید ہے بالکل ٹھیک ٹھاک ہو سو. کافی دن ہو گئے سن کوئی نواں ولاگ نہیں سی بنایا، بس کوئی مصروفیات جیاں سن تھوڑیاں بہت. ساڑے علاقے چ تحصیل سمانی جناب آئے نا ایک وزٹر جنہاں نا تعلق ہے آذربائیجان تو، اور 5-6 دن ہو گئے نے آئے ہیں، 1-2 دن شاید واپس چلے جان. میں سوچیا والا انہاں نال کوئی گل بات کیتی جائے، اپنے ناظرین بھی انہوں نے خیالات دسے جان کس طرح انہاں سفر کر گئے، اتنے پہنچے کس طریقے نال آئے. تے ساری گل بات کراں گے، انہاں نال جاؤں گے تھوڑی دیر تک. میں نکلنا پھر جل گئے انہاں نال گل بات کراں گے تے تساں کی جناب دساں گے. اچھا جی، پہنچ گیا میں جس جگہ بھائی اور رہن لگے تے پھر ہن اساں شروع کرنے ہیں انہاں نال گل بات. اساں انہاں نال جناب گل بات کراں گے سامنے کھڑے. السلام علیکم. How are you?
Nice, how are you?
پہنچ گئے جناب اتنے تے اساں انہاں نال ہن ملاقات کراں گے، تھوڑی گل بات کراں گے تے بس 1-2 منٹ چ اساں گل بات اپنی شروع کرنی ہے. جی کیا گا؟ How is your time here in Pakistan, Samahni and Kashmir?
The first impressions begin from the time when I did my first step on the land of a Pakistan airport. When you see the people's faces, when you look at their faces, you can easily analyze their characters. And when I have seen the Pakistanis, if to be honest, I was very surprised because I haven't seen any negative mood in their faces. It's a very great moment for me.
How many days have you been here?
Today I'm the 10th day in Pakistan, in this great country.
How did you come to Azerbaijan to visit Pakistan and Kashmir?
First I applied for visa in Azerbaijan.
Well,
And after I get visa, at the same time I came here.
in how many days and how did you get Pakistan tourist visa?
I applied the visa, and after 1 month I get the permission. I get the visa coming to Pakistan.
How did you think about our people before you came here?
If we're honestly, I was surprised when I came here because in other countries somebody say that Pakistani people is a little aggressive, but I haven't seen.
Oh.
I haven't seen any aggressive mood, and I was surprised.
Great. Here and how did you spend your time in Samahni and Kashmir?
I was in Kashmir, in Samahni, especially in Samahni. I was in Bimber district also. In Samahni, I almost have been in all places and many houses. I was invited by the people of Samahni. I tasted their tasty national meals.
Great.
Yeah.
What will you say about people of Samahni and Kashmir?
Oh, people, very beautiful people. I can see in the 3 words: kindness, politeness, and very brave people.
Thank you.
Very
Great.
brave people. Yeah.
What would you like to say about the beautiful places of our area?
Almost all, not almost, all places of Kashmir, especially Kashmir, it's very beautiful. I can say that Kashmir, I love all the Pakistan, but especially Kashmir, it's a beating heart of Pakistan. Yeah, because of its people, the different. I can say the people of Kashmir are different than the other part of Pakistan. So only positive, only positive.
How was your experience about food and living here?
About living, I can't say something about living. You know, if somebody asks me in other countries, how is it in Pakistan? Is it good or not? I reply, I don't know. is it here good or not? But I can say one word. I can say what I have seen. I have seen only politeness, kindness, beautiful people, and trying and attempts people to serve you. And these moments give you a wings to fly.
What good memories are taking you from here?
All my memories, all the excellent, all my memories. I can't say the different parts, but all memories. For example, first I can begin from the people. The second, or the weather of Kashmir. It's very unexpected in a changeable weather. Sometimes hot, sometimes cold, rains. It's a very good environment.
What are your thoughts about our village life and our living style?
Your living style, how to say about your living style is not as in other countries, for example, in our country. And so it was very interesting for me. I was in a different world because people here natural. Everything is natural here.
Would you consider to come here again?
Yeah, of course. I would like to stay here anymore, but I have to go because we promised to you when we get applied for visa, when we get a visa, we promised to your government, then I return back at the exactly time. And so I would like to stay any more here, but I can't. I have to go because I don't want to be deported from this country because I'm planning to visit your country one more again.
Good.
Yeah.
Kashmir is divided in two parts. So what will you say about Kashmir?
About Kashmir, I know that you have a conflict between India. I don't want to speak about the conflict. I want to speak about the territories, about the Kashmir, old Kashmir. That I have seen here. I was near the border. We live near the border. The village Samahni is a near border of India. I have seen in only peace here. People live in a peace. No war, nor aggressives, nor shooting and something else.
What message would you like to give to people foreign countries about Pakistan and Kashmir?
I would like to say to everybody, to all countries, to visit this country. It's necessary. Everybody have to see the Pakistan because it's a very beautiful country. It's a first my visit to Pakistan. I was very impressed on this my visit. I would like to say to even when I come back to my Azerbaijan, my motherland, I'll talk and I'll show all my recordings, all my videos and the photos, and I offer them to visit this country.
Visit here.
Yes. To Pakistanis, to people of Kashmir, what can I say? During my being here, I haven't spent even one kopeek here. Everything is free here. Even all my clothes have been presented me from the people of Kashmir, from the people of Samahni. I want to say to your viewers, to all people of Kashmir, Pakistan, Samahni, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You are looking very nice in this dress.
Yeah, and I take these dresses to my country.
Oh, well.
Yeah, and I wear the same there.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
We pray that you are stay happy and healthy.
Yeah, of course, I'm already happy, and I want to say that let Allah bless Pakistan
Thank you.
and the Kashmir. I
And,
love all Pakistan
and
and
please
the
come here again. We will warmly welcome you.
necessarily.
Okay.
I'll come as soon as I can.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good.
It was very big pleasure for me to meet with you.
Shukriya.
Thank you. Shukriya. Mehribani.
trees and small trees and long trees.
I know.
And this is very beautiful mosque. Have you this type of mosque in your country, masjid?
Yeah, sometimes. And we have many mosques in our country.
But this is very beautiful.
Yeah.
ठीक है. We will use music on this video because it's not good English. So hot here.
Oh, too much.
Life's so deep, guess they don't teach. Heart got heavy one eve, reality caught up with me. Yeah, I fell off, it was like I was driving on E. Walk up, talk up straight, speak up, say what you say. Wait in my face on a bar with snakes. Watch them fade from my wave they cut.